All right, good evening and welcome to day 2 of the Naked Egg Lab. I got my vinegar out. The cup is a little frothy if you want to make your observations. That's all we're doing today on day 2. There's a lot of stuff on the top of the cup. I'll pick it up for you. You can kind of look through the cup. You still see that there's a lot of bubbles happening in and around the eggshell. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually take the egg in the cup and take it to the sink. And I'm going to pour the vinegar out. Okay, carefully without dumping our egg out of there. There we go. And I'm going to add new vinegar just to make it a little bit more potent in there so that we can get this thing moving a little bit. Now, if you look at the egg without the vinegar in it, you can make some observations there. And I will actually do this and poke it. And you can watch me poke it and you can see what happens as I poke the egg. I can get you a clear spot of the cup. Okay, so obviously it's not going through there. It is kind of bouncing a little bit. Okay, it feels a little bit rubbery right now. Here we go. We're going to add some more vinegar and just cover the egg with it. I didn't rinse anything off. I didn't do anything. All I did was pour out the old vinegar and add new vinegar. Okay, so today that's all you have to do is record your observations. What do you see? If you look at it now, you can see a little bit of the top. It's still bubbling. A little bit of the side, again, it's still doing some bubbling there. Not too much, okay? Tomorrow we'll be rinsing and we're going to do a day of soak in some distilled water. But today, for right now, you got a little bit more bubble activity. You can see them bubbling up to the top, all right, around our egg. And you watched me when I pushed on it that it was a little bit rubbery and soft. It was no longer like a hard raw egg would be. I couldn't crack it on the table if I wanted to, so I think it would bounce. I don't know that for sure, but I think it would bounce. I don't want to clean it up and try it. Plus, we got to finish out our experiment. We'll try that later. All right, so those are your observations for today. Make sure you record those, and we'll see you tomorrow for day 3.